tours in Rome into one comprehensive sightseeing experience with this Rome Super Saver. You'll start at the Colosseum for a skip-the-line tour of this ancient amphitheater, followed by a look at the Roman Forum and Palatine Hill. Then spend the afternoon on a walking tour of Rome's historical center to visit famous landmarks like the Trevi Fountain, Piazza Navona, the Spanish Steps and the Pantheon. This tour is limited to 25 people. Highlights combine 2 best-selling Rome tours for a discounted price. Explore ancient Rome in the morning with your expert guidance. See the Arch of Constantine, the Roman Forum and Palatine Hill. Enjoy skip-the-line access to the famous Colosseum and learn about its brutal past. Spend 2 hours at your leisure exploring, shopping or relaxing over lunch, own expense. Take an afternoon walking tour and pass top Rome attractions including Piazza del Popolo, the Trevi Fountain, the Spanish Steps and more. Small group tour with a maximum of 25 people provides an intimate experience. Enjoy a homemade Italian gelato in summer or a cappuccino or hot chocolate in winter. Why our insiders chose this tour? You see all the highlights of Rome and save money with this combo. It's a comprehensive tour with a fabulous guide that's great for first-time visitors. Bring your camera. What you can expect: Rome Pantheon, skip the line, ancient Rome and Colosseum half-day walking tour. Your day of sightseeing starts near the Colosseum, where you meet your guide and take a walk up Appian Hill for a view of the amphitheater, perhaps Rome's most iconic symbol. Then walk back down and enter the Colosseum with your skip-the-line ticket, allowing you to jump the main entrance queue and go straight inside. Explore the first 2 levels of the arena, listening to brutal stories about the gladiator battles and other bloody events that once took place here. Exiting the Colosseum, walk over to the Roman Forum, stopping by the Arch of Constantine on the way. Then walk up Palatine Hill for more views of the ruins before your 3-hour tour ends on Via Sacra, the street that connects Capitoline Hill to the Colosseum. At this point, you have about 2 hours of free time to get some lunch and explore on your own before the second part of your Super Saver begins. Lunch is at your own expense. Best of Rome walking tour in the afternoon. Your 2.5-hour walking tour starts at Piazza di Spagna, where you meet your guide and set off around Rome's historical center. Admire the famous Spanish Steps, which lead up to the Trevi de' Monti Church, and then walk to the Trevi Fountain, perhaps Rome's most famous fountain, known for its legend that states if you throw a coin in the water, you will return to Rome someday. Continue to the square that ancient Romans considered to be the center of the city, Piazza Colonna, and then visit the stately Pantheon. Walk through lively Piazza Navona, where street artists show off their talents and visitors mingle around the Baroque fountains.